Summer evenings are perfect until the mosquitoes show up and try to eat you alive. I got tired of slapping bugs and smelling like spray, so I went out and bought the top 5 most popular outdoor bug zappers. I tested them on my own patio to see which one actually keeps the yard clear and which ones are just fancy nightlights. Product number 1, AMUFER Bug Zapper. First, I plugged in this AMUFER model. It's built with a tough ABS casing that feels like it can handle a few knocks. What stood out immediately was the noise. When a bug hits that 4400-volt grid, you hear a satisfying snap. It uses an 18-watt blue-violet bulb, which is noticeably bright. I saw moths heading for it from across the yard. The manufacturer claims a 0.01 second shock time, and I believe it because nothing escaped once it flew in. Cleaning it is simple, but you have to unplug it first, don't forget that part. The grid is protected, so I wasn't worried about accidentally brushing against it. The verdict: if you need a solid, high-voltage zapper for a standard suburban backyard, this gets the job done without overcomplicating things. Speaking of safety and durability, I also looked at another option from the same brand. Product number 2, AMUFER Sturdy and Waterproof Zapper. This next AMUFER unit looks similar, but the focus here is really on the build quality. Holding it, I noticed the casing is made from V0 fireproof material, which gave me some peace of mind leaving it plugged in overnight. It's IPX4 waterproof, so when the sprinklers hit it during my test, it didn't short out or spark. Performance-wise, it still packs that same 4400-volt punch, but the upgraded circuit board feels safer. It has a 3-core double insulated cord that feels thick and durable, not flimsy like cheap extension cords. It's designed to resist rust and fading, so it should look decent even after sitting in the sun all summer. The verdict: this is the one to get if you have kids or pets running around and want that extra layer of fire safety and weatherproofing. Now, if you need something with a bit more history behind it, let's talk Flowtron. Product number 3, Flowtron BK40D 1 Acre. This Flowtron is a classic. It's shaped like an old-school lantern, and the polycarbonate housing feels practically indestructible. Unlike the others, this one uses an octanol cartridge, a scent that mimics breath to attract mosquitoes specifically, not just light-loving moths. I noticed a big difference in the number of actual biting bugs it caught compared to standard light traps. The best part is the non-clogging design. Bugs just fall through to the ground, so I didn't have to constantly brush dead insects out of the wires. It covers a full acre, making it great for larger properties. The verdict: if you want the industrial strength approach and don't mind buying scent cartridges, this is the most effective killer for mosquitoes. But if 1 acre isn't enough, Flowtron makes an even bigger beast. Product number 4, Flowtron BK80D 1.5 Acre. This is the massive Flowtron BK80D designed for up to 1.5 acres. Pulling it out of the box, it's significantly larger and uses 2 40-watt bulbs instead of 1. The brightness is intense, it acts like a beacon. It also uses 2 octanol cartridges at once, doubling down on that scent attraction. During my testing, the 5600-volt grid didn't hesitate. Because it's so powerful, you definitely want to hang this away from where you're sitting, or the zapping sound will interrupt your conversation. It's maintenance-free aside from swapping bulbs and cartridges, which I appreciate. The verdict: this is strictly for people with big properties or heavy woods nearby. It's overkill for a small patio, but a lifesaver for a farm. Finally, let's look at something designed to last a decade. Product number 5, ILCPP Metal Bug Zapper. I finished up with the ILCPP Zapper. The first thing I felt was the metal outer shell. It's not plastic, so it feels premium and sturdy. The big selling point here is the lifespan. It uses energy-efficient technology that claims to last 10 years without needing a bulb change. That's a huge relief if you hate hunting for replacement parts. It runs on 4200 volts, which is plenty strong. I liked the 6.5-foot power cord. Most units come with short cords, but this gave me more freedom to hang it high up without an extension. It's also waterproof, and the tray at the bottom slides out easily for cleaning. The verdict: if you want to buy it for lifestyle product and hate changing bulbs, this metal unit is your best bet. So whether you need the raw power of the Flowtron or the long-lasting LEDs of the ILCPP, one of these will clear the air for your next barbecue. I've put links to all 5 in the description so you can check the latest prices. Thanks for watching and stay bite-free.